We offer our full range of services in St. Cloud, which would include services related to death, body decomposition, suicide, homicide. And we also offer hoarding services and services related to drug remediation, such as a meth or fentanyl lab. In the past year, we've done several projects in St. Cloud, both residential and commercial, related to the services that we offer. At Scene Clean, we can handle your whole project, whether from start to finish, both the remediation end of things and the rebuild side of things. We are a preferred vendor for a lot of the major insurance companies that cover our area. And the process really starts by getting a phone call or a web form from our client. We can typically be out on emergency job sites within a couple hours. If it's an insurance-based job, we try and be out there within 24 hours. And the days of needing multiple estimates for insurance companies are no longer with today's software that's out there. If it's a drug-related job or a hoarding-related job, we'll set up a time to meet the client out at the job site and give them a written estimate. The consequences for not hiring a contractor such as ours, it can make your insurance process or the claim a lot more difficult to deal with if they're not used to dealing with insurance companies or the process. There's a lot of companies out there that'll do maybe a dozen or so of these a year. It's a service that they offer on the side, whereas this is all we do, and we do hundreds of these a year. We take great pride in our reputation. We're a local company, and we try and do everything we can to make sure our customers are satisfied.